All right, guys, so this is a book called The Best of Times by Greg Tan, who is an author of tons of different books where he teaches us about math and strategies on how to find your answers quickly and in your head, um, and how you're going to use math in real life and things like that. So, this book is about multiplication strategies so that if you don't have your times tables memorized, or maybe you're just having like a rough day and you just can't remember some of those times tables off the top of your head, there's a few strategies that will help you figure them out quickly, easily, and without having to look anything up or using a calculator. So let's go ahead and get it started. Author's note. Do you remember learning to spell? Remember how much easier it was once you could sound out words and letters? With a basic understanding and a few rules, all of a sudden spelling wasn't so hard. Now think back to when you learned to multiply. If you were like most people, you probably memorized your times tables. There was very little understanding or real world math involved. Just a lot of repetition and maybe a trick or two, like using your knuckles to learn the nines tables. But is that the best way to learn? Instead, wouldn't it be great if by understanding math better, you could learn to multiply your numbers of any size, not just the ones you memorize? I believe it's possible. By being clever and using a little common sense, kids can learn to multiply large and small numbers quickly and dependably. Multiply by 4, just double it twice. Multiply by 5, first multiply by 10, then take half. These strategies are simple and easy to remember because they make sense. There's no fancy math involved, just straightforward techniques that really work. I wrote The Best of Times to help kids master their times tables, but instead of taking a short-term approach based on repetition and memorization, my focus is on the longer term and helping children develop a sounder, more intuitive understanding of multiplication. I use poems and pictures to convey and clarify concepts, and throughout the book, I challenge readers to apply what they've learned so they see firsthand how fun and rewarding problem solving can be. In writing The Grapes of Math, Math for All Seasons, and now The Best of Times, my goal is to inspire kids to seek deeper, more satisfying understanding of math. It is the journey of learning that is truly the best of times. Enjoy. Zero is a cinch to do. The answer's right in front of you. For every problem, it's the same. Zilch or zero is its name. One way. One as simple as can be. It's known as the identity. The answer to identify. It's the one you multiply. Two step. Two is very fast and fun. Quickly double and you're done. What's that you say? Be more precise. Okay then, just add it twice. What is 2 times 2? It's 2 doubled. 4. What is 2 times 8? It's 8 doubled. 16. 3 is as easy as can be if you triple what you see. In other words, just add it thrice. This simply is 1 more than twice. What is 3 times 3? It's 3 doubled plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6, so 3 doubled is 6 plus another 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. What is 3 times 9? 9 doubled plus 9. 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 9 is 27. 4 is very fast to do when you multiply by 2. Here's a little good advice. Please always just double twice. What's 4 times 4? It's 4 doubled twice. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. So 4 times 4 is 16. Same thing with 7. What is 4 times 7? It's 7 doubled twice. Doubled once, 7 equals 14. Doubled twice, 14 equals 28. 5 alive. 5 will yield the right amount if by 5s you always count, or else multiply by 10. Half will get you there again. Is 5 times 5? It's 10 5s divided in half. What is 5 times 8? It's 10 8s divided in half. 6 is pretty quick to do. Just multiply by 3, then 2. If this sounds like too much trouble, triple first before you double. What is 6 times 6? It's 6 tripled, then doubled. What is 6 times 4? It's 4 tripled, then doubled. 7 doesn't take much time, even though it's a prime. Here is all you have to do. First times 5, then add times 2. What is 7 times 7? It is 5 7s plus 2 7s. What is 7 times 5? It's 5 5s plus 2 5s. 8 is very much like 4, simply double but once more. Since 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, doubling 3 times works great. What's 8 times 8? 8 doubled 3 times. What's 8 times 6? It's 6 doubled 3 times. 9 is faster to compute if at first you overshoot. Here's a very clever tack. Do 10 times and then subtract. What's 9 times 9? It's 10 nines minus 9. What is 9 times 7? It's 10 sevens minus 10 is such a breeze to do, all because of place value. To quickly multiply by 10, put a 0 at the end. What's 10 times 10? It's 10 with a 0 on the end. What's 10 times 9? It's 9 with a 0 on the end. Alright, so now there are some practice tables. Go ahead and practice. Practice figuring out how to double things, how to do things in your head. Do it all in your head. If you want to do it on paper, that's fine, especially for practice. But practice your times tables, practice just learning the strategy so that you can do it anytime it comes up and you don't have to have your times tables memorized. I hope you guys enjoyed the book and I hope that it sticks with you.